Start by cutting your satin fabric to a length of 38 inches and a width of 7.5 inches, elastic 8 inches lengthwise. Sew the short ends of the satin together using a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Next, fold the fabric lengthwise like a burrito. Sew along the edge. Leaving a 2 inches gap near where you started. Turn the satin fabric inside out. With a safety pin, thread the elastic through the fabric tube, pinning one end to prevent it from slipping inside. Keep passing the elastic until it comes out from the other end. Tie the elastic end securely and give it a good pull to ensure it's tight. Finally, sew the opening closed. And there you have it, a beautiful scrunchie made using the burrito method. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye!